And there you go. Simple as that. How she pops. Okay everybody, welcome to my channel. Yep, we are replacing a UPVC door panel. Simple, easy job. Chisel, hammer. Yeah, I should use a nylon hammer, but I don't have one. So anyhow, if you're installing a cat flap or you've got a damaged panel, this is how you do it. Simply get it in the gap. Go for the middle, because then you can flex it out. As you can see, it's actually opened up. Just twist it slightly, chisel. You can use a wallpaper scraper, similar sort of tool to that. As you can see, it's already out. Little tug. Punch. Same again on the other side. And lift up. And there you go. Simple as that. How she pops. Obviously, you can saw it to size using an ordinary handsaw. Pop it back in again. Now it is easier to mark where these came from than you tend to have you put your bottom one and your top one in first. Hold it. Push it down like that. That's the side one. It don't take much force. If you're worried, use the butt of your hammer. Again, they do flex well. Stick it in the corner, bend it. And it will go in, honest, like that. Same again, last one. And that's it. Now if you're doing a pane of glass, always get somebody else to help you, because when you undo all your clips, you need somebody to push the glass towards you, and it is quite heavy, so a bit of a two-man job that. But anyhow, basic panel replaced, easy peasy, just like that. Right, hope that's helpful to everybody. Check out my other videos and don't forget to subscribe. See you later.